Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create TikTok ads pixel. Alright, let's begin. First, access ads.tiktok.com and log in with your TikTok ads account. Navigate to the menu and hover over the Tools option. A new menu will appear. Click on the Events button. This opens TikTok's event setup page where we will configure the pixel. Click the Get Started button and choose Web for data type, then click Next. Enter your website's domain name when prompted, then click Next again. You will see two options, Partner Setup or Manual Configuration. Most platforms offer partner integration, so select that option and click Next. On this page, various partner options will be displayed for configuration. Shopify is the most common choice, but you can also find Commerce, WordPress, and BigCommerce. Click See All to view additional options like Mercado Shop. If your platform is not listed, go back to Manual Setup for the code. In this guide, I will continue with partners and select Shopify. After choosing, click Next. You will be prompted to enter a pixel name for identification purposes. Name it as you like. Finally, click the Create button. The pixel has now been successfully created and has an ID. Instructions for setting up this pixel on your site will be provided based on your selection. So that's basically how you can create TikTok ads pixel. And that's it for this video. If you find helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.